Hi, in front of me I have OnePlus 9 Pro, and I'm gonna show you a few secret codes you can use on this device. First, we need to open the phone app. To do it, tap on this icon right here, then tap this icon right here to open the keypad, and now we can enter our first code, which is *#888#, and this code opens the hardware PCB version check and QR code. Basically, here you can check the hardware version of your PCB, and you can also scan the QR code for more information. Okay, let's go back. Another code we can enter is *12334#, and this code opens the software version, and you can check the software version of your device, basically. Next code is *#06#, and this code opens the IMEI info. Basically, you can check the IMEI addresses of your device. Next code is *#66#, and this code opens the check and encrypt IMEI. Here you can check the IMEI addresses, also encrypt IMEI addresses, I'm not sure what they do, and also you have QR code you can scan. Okay. Next code is *#4636#*, and this code opens the testing menu. Here we have few options: phone information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi information. Let's tap on phone information first. Here we can check some information about our phone, like email number, phone number, and stuff like that. You can also run the ping test right here. And you have more information at the bottom right here. You can also tap on more options icon, and you can select options like view SIM address book, view fixed dialing numbers, view service dialing numbers, IMS service status, and enable data connection. Okay, let's go back. Next option is usage statistics. Here you can check basically for how long each app on your phone was used. For example, settings were used for 26 minutes and 46 seconds, Chrome for 8 minutes and 3 seconds, and so on and so on. You have a whole list of apps. And at the bottom we have Wi-Fi information. You can tap on it, and here we have few more options, which is Wi-Fi API, Wi-Fi config, and Wi-Fi status. If you tap on Wi-Fi API, you have more options like disable network, disconnect, enable network, get configured networks, and get connection info. If you select Wi-Fi config, here you have information about configured networks. As you can see, we don't have anything because we're not connected to Wi-Fi, that's why. And Wi-Fi status, again, you won't get any information because we're not connected to Wi-Fi, but usually if you're connected to Wi-Fi right here, you will have some information about your network. You can also run the ping test if you want to. Okay, let's close this and enter another code, which is ***255#******. Oh, my bad. Not 255, my bad. ****225#*****. And this code opens the calendar info menu. Here you can check the events on your calendar and stuff like that. I don't have any information because I'm not logged into a Google account basically on my phone, so that's why I don't have any information right here. But if you are logged into a Google account, you can check the info about your calendar right here in this menu. And last code I want to show you is ****426#, oh my bad, 426#****. And this code opens the Fcm Diagnostics. Here we can change between events and status. You have some information, as you can see. We can also press on more options icon right here, enable advanced view, and you get more information about your device by selecting this option. Okay, and that should be all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.